In today's video, I'll show you how to create a blog in Squarespace step by step. First, log into your Squarespace account by heading to the home page and clicking Login. Choose Continue with Google for a quick sign-in, then select the website you want to add a blog to from your dashboard. Once you're in the site editor, look at the left-hand panel and click Pages. Here you'll see a plus button. Click it and select Blog. Squarespace will instantly add a blog section to your site with a default layout. Next, open the blog page and click Plus New Post. Add a title, write your content, and use the editor to format text, insert images, or even embed videos. You can also adjust settings like categories, tags, and SEO to help your posts get discovered. When you're ready, click Publish, and your blog post goes live. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog in Squarespace.